Hey guys, so wasn't planning on hopping on camera today, but I wanted to make this really quick video to show everybody how to update your Favicon for your ClickFunnels account. So when a Favicon is that little tiny, I'm going to call it an emoji, that is next to the browser tab name. Now, of course, on ClickFunnels, which is the platform that I use, I was on LinkedIn this morning doing some comments and whatnot, and I happened to click on this sponsored link, and this is absolutely not to call any of these businesses out or anything. However, I did land on this page and I thought that the landing page was really great, but their Favicon was still the ClickFunnels logo. So here's what I just wanted to show you the two quick places where you can update your Favicon to make sure that while we all love and use ClickFunnels, you're also able to brand all of your pages personally. So first, let's do a funnel, because I'm assuming that if you were running an ad and you wanted to track a landing page, this is a funnel and not part of your website. So if you come to your funnels page and scoot all the way over to the edit funnel button, this is the funnel I'm building right now. You can set the domain, and right here you can set the Favicon. Now Favicons are usually like 150 by 150. It's very small. It's not some giant image and doesn't take much. As you can see though, this is a funnel that I'm still building, but this is where you would set that, update your funnel, and then it takes a little bit for the Favicon to come into play, but then you don't have to use the ClickFunnels one. The second place, just in case you guys don't know, when you're editing your website, if you come here to these three dots and site settings, then the Favicon is right here for your website in total. So what that does though is it enables you to be able to put different Favicons on different funnels versus your website. All right, so quick, easy, painless. I am going to send this to that business and to everybody else watching. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.